In this video, I'm going to show you how to unpublish a Squarespace website. Start by visiting the Squarespace website and logging into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll see your account dashboard with a list of all your sites. Locate the website you want to unpublish and click the three dots in the corner to open a drop-down menu. From the options presented, select Settings. On this screen, you'll see an option labeled Site Availability. Click on it to open the availability settings. If your site is currently published, you will see Public options selected from here. To unpublish your site, you have a couple of choices. If you want to restrict access but still allow specific users to view your site, you can switch the setting to password protected. However, if you want to make the website completely unavailable to everyone, select the Private option. This will fully unpublish the site, making it invisible to all visitors, including those with a link. After making your choice, click the Save button in the top right corner of the screen to confirm the changes. Your website is now unpublished and will no longer appear to the public. And that's how you can unpublish a Squarespace website.